What if you could wake up to a skyline where every window reflects a billionaire's dream? Where does the morning sun glisten off super yachts and sky-high penthouses? Today, we are taking you into a world where opulence knows no limits. Dubai's luxury real estate. And not just with anyone, but through the lens of the game changer, Range International Property Investments. Part 1. Why Dubai? Dubai is not just a city, it is an experience. It is a tax-free haven, a playground for the ultra-wealthy, and a booming hub for savvy global investors. For young Americans aged 18 to 35, this is more than travel goals. It is a wealth strategy. Here is the twist. Dubai's property market is surprisingly accessible. From futuristic smart villas to beachfront lofts, the ROI potential is massive, and property ownership laws for foreigners have opened up like never before. This is where Range International Property Investments comes in. And trust me, they are not your average real estate agency. Part 2. Who is Range International? Range International Property Investment is a Dubai-based real estate brokerage and investment firm known for its expertise in luxury real estate. It offers services for buying, renting, and selling properties, and is considered a local and international real estate market leader. It has a strong team of real estate professionals and utilizes technology to enhance its services. Key features of Range International. Specialized in luxury real estate, Range International focuses on luxury properties in Dubai, catering to high-end clients. Award-winning brokerage. They have received awards for their services, solidifying their reputation in the industry. Deep market knowledge. Range International deeply understands local and international real estate markets. Technology-driven. They leverage technology to improve their operations and client experience. Experienced team. Range International employs a team of skilled professionals with a strong vision for the industry. Commitment to value. They aim to help clients maximize returns and make investing in Dubai easy. Verified and trusted agents. Their agents are certified by True Broker, ensuring reliability and expertise. Focus on luxury. They help clients find luxury properties and enjoy refined living experiences, as seen in their promotion of the Valley by Emaar Properties. Founded to bridge the gap between global investors and Dubai's elite properties, Range International has positioned itself as a powerhouse in luxury real estate. They are more than brokers. They are curators of lifestyle, negotiators of value, and masters of access. Whether you're looking for a penthouse in Business Bay or a waterfront villa on the Palm, they show you properties and unlock possibilities. Every property they showcase is vetted for investment potential, lifestyle value, and long-term growth. But there is more to this story than glossy towers and marble floors. Part 3. Top 5 Most Exclusive Neighborhoods. Let's unlock the 5 most jaw-dropping neighborhoods in which Range International actively invests. Each one is a chapter in Dubai's luxury narrative. Palm Jumeirah, an artificial island shaped like a palm tree, where private beaches, luxury resorts, and villas with yacht docks are just the beginning. Downtown Dubai. Live next to icons like the Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall, high-rise penthouses with panoramic views and the best nightlife around. Dubai Marina. Skyscrapers, nightlife, and sea views. It is like living inside a luxury magazine. Emirates Hills. Dubai's answer to Beverly Hills. Think gated communities, celebrity neighbors, and palatial mansions. Jumera Bay Island. An ultra-exclusive island with Bulgari mansions and private beaches. Yes, it is as high-end as it sounds. Part 4. Success Stories. Meet Ava, a 29-year-old tech entrepreneur from Austin. After one consultation with Range, she secured a luxury condo in downtown Dubai. 3 years later, she is up 40% in value and rents it for 5 figures monthly. Or Jordan, 32, a crypto investor from Miami. He wanted something with a serious wow factor. The Range got him a beachfront villa on the Palm and exclusive concierge perks that come with it. These are not fairy tales. They are blueprints. The Range does not just connect you to luxury, they ensure that luxury works for you. Part 5. The Range Advantage. So what makes Range International different? 3 words: end-to-end service. Range handles everything from tailored consultations to legal paperwork, from virtual viewings to private jet property tours. Their in-house investment advisors do not just suggest properties, they map strategies based on your lifestyle and goals. And post-sale? You are not left on your own. Property management, rental services, and resale advice have covered you. This is not a one-time transaction. It is a partnership. Part 6. The Future of Dubai Real Estate. The Dubai real estate market will continue its upward trajectory in 2025, with steady price growth and strong demand. Key factors driving this include population growth, government initiatives, and Dubai's status as an international business hub. Luxury and sustainable developments are also expected to be prominent trends. Continued growth. The Dubai real estate market is expected to grow in 2025, with price increases in both residential and commercial sectors. Luxury and sustainability. Luxury properties and sustainable developments are expected to be in high demand. Strong demand. Population growth and Dubai's status as a business hub continue to fuel strong demand for residential and commercial properties. Increased foreign investment. Dubai's investor-friendly policies continue to attract global investors, focusing on luxury and sustainable developments. Rental growth. Rental prices in prime locations are also expected to rise due to increased expatriate demand. Supply and demand. While many pre-sold properties are expected to be completed in 2025 to 2026, strong demand is expected to stabilize the market. Tourism and real estate. The strong link between tourism and real estate development will continue influencing the Dubai real estate market in 2025. Areas of potential growth. Luxury properties. Areas like Palm Jumeirah and downtown Dubai are expected to grow in luxury property values significantly. Sustainable developments. Green building practices and renewable energy will continue influencing Dubai real estate trends. Mixed-use developments. Dubai is expected to see continued expansion in mixed-use developments. Commercial properties. Demand for commercial space is expected to remain strong, driven by Dubai's status as a business hub. Considerations for investors. Diversify investments. To mitigate risk, investors should consider diversifying their investments across different property types and locations. Focus on luxury and sustainability. Luxury and sustainable developments are expected to be in high demand and offer substantial returns. Understand market trends. Staying informed about emerging trends and key metrics, like the Dubai Real Estate Price Index, will help investors make informed decisions. What does tomorrow look like in Dubai? Picture AI-powered homes, floating villas, and skyscrapers that change shape with the wind. Dubai is building for the future, and if you invest today, you are buying a piece of that tomorrow. The Range is already marketing next-gen properties designed for Gen Z and millennial investors. Think bright everything, eco-luxury, and digital asset integration. And one of these properties has not even hit the public listings yet. Range clients are already booking private viewings. Curious? Stay with us. Part 7. How to start your investment journey. Successful investing is a journey, not a one-time event, and you must prepare yourself as if you were going on a long trip. Begin by defining your destination, then plan your investment journey accordingly. For example, are you looking to retire in 20 years at age 55? How much money will you need to do this? You must first ask these questions. The plan that you come up with will depend on your investment goals. 1. Know what works in the market. Read books, or take an investment course that deals with modern financial ideas. The people who came up with theories such as portfolio optimization, diversification, and market efficiency received their Nobel Prizes for good reason. Investing combines science, financial fundamentals, and art, qualitative factors. The scientific aspect of finance is a solid place to start and should not be ignored. If science is not your strong suit, do not fret. Many texts, such as Stocks for the Long Run by Jeremy Siegel, explain high-level finance ideas in a way that is easy to understand. Once you know what works in the market, you can devise simple rules that work for you. For example, Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors ever. This well-known quote sums up his simple investment style. Never invest in a business you cannot understand. It has served him well. While he missed the tech upturn, he avoided the subsequent devastating downturn of the high-tech bubble of 2000. 2. Know your investment strategy. Nobody knows you and your situation better than you do. Therefore, you may be the most qualified person to do your investing. All you need is a bit of help. Identify the personality traits that will assist you or prevent you from investing successfully, and manage them accordingly. Fund managers Tom Baylord, Larry Beal, and Ron Kaiser developed a beneficial behavioral model that helps investors understand themselves. You do not need to be a millionaire to get started. Here is how. Visit Range's website or schedule a free consultation. Define your budget, goals, and lifestyle needs. Let their team curate a list of tailored properties. Take a virtual or in-person tour. Secure financing if needed. Close the deal with complete legal guidance. Simple, strategic, smart. Whether you are looking for rental income, long-term growth, or a luxury base abroad, Range makes it possible. Dubai is not just calling, it is evolving. Range International Property Investments is your gateway to something extraordinary. So, are you ready to explore a lifestyle most only dream about? Click the link in the description and let your luxury journey begin. Subscribe, like, explore with Range International.